Hi there, this is our part 6 of the tutorial. We continue from part 5 and now add a logout button to the VApp bar. It has an icon on the right. We also define our navigation drawer. We design our logout button. It will have a span and a V-icon element inside it. The text of the button should be logout. We create the V icon. We use the materialdesignicons.com website to find an appropriate icon. We set the right attribute on the icon, as the icon should be on the right of the button. We save the button icon layout for later use. On our code, we will load the layout to a placeholder and then append the contents of the placeholder to the VApp bar. Back on the layout, we update the margins of the button. We set margin all to 2. We need to update the router for the button. Let's set it as login. We now activate the VBase layout. We want to add a navigation drawer to it. We set the dark attribute for the drawer. We want the drawer to have a background image. We feed this to the source attribute. We set app equals true for the drawer. To be able to show and hide the drawer, we need to update the vModel directive. Let's set this to appDrawer. This will be a Boolean variable. When our app starts, we want the drawer to be open. Let's initialize the vModel on the states item. The next step is generating events and binding the hamburger and drawer. For the hamburger, we want to execute click and stop propagation. This is called click stop in Vue. The two elements are now added to our global variables. Both the hamburger and drawer have states and events, so we need to bind those states and events to the application. When the hamburger is clicked, we want to toggle the drawer visibility. We are using an event here because one might want to do something else here. To toggle the state of the drawer, we use the vModel variable name we specified earlier on. Let's run our application. Our drawer is visible, with a background image, and our logout button is showing with an icon on the right. We are done with part 6. Enjoy!